before planning all of your content, firstly you will be needing this application or plugin. So the name of the plugin is AIPRM. Now this is a plugin that can be used with ChatGPT itself. Now the benefit of this plugin is you will find multiple chatbots that are already trained on set data and is given to ChatGPT. So all you need to do is just simply choose a bot and use it. That's the only thing that you have to do, because they are already trained in all the data and in all the fields, from content creation to ad creation, from ad copywriting to email writing. Everything is already trained in these bots. So let me show you how to get this bot first. So all you have to do is just simply search for AIPRM on a browser. So I'm currently using Chrome. You can use any other browser if you want to. All you need to do is simply open the web store of your browser and then install this AIPRM for ChatGPT on that browser. And the moment you will do that, just simply reload your ChatGPT page if it is already opened. And then when you will do that, a new type of interface will appear right over here. As you can see. Now, all you have to do is just simply search the platform for which you are going to create the content of. So in my case, I want to create content in Instagram. So now all you have to do is just simply enter the name of that platform right over here. And the moment you will do that, all the chatbots that are trained for specific task of Instagram will appear right in front of you, as you can see. So the first one, Instagram post carousel content generator, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok video script generator, Instagram post description caption generator, and a lot of bots that can be used to create a lot of content and a quality content as well, as you can see right over here. Now what you do is just simply choose what you want over here. So firstly, I will be needing an Instagram script, and after that I will be needing tags for the SEO. So for scripts, what you have to do is choose this option. So all you have to do is click on any bot and it will automatically be selected, as you can see right over here. Now all you need to do is just simply enter the title over here. So this is the title that I'm going to use for the Instagram reel that I want to create. Now, after entering the title, all you need to do is just simply hit enter or this option right over here. And now just simply wait for a few seconds. So after that, you will get an entire script that you can use for Instagram. Now all you need to do is just simply record the reel and read the script, or whatever you want to do with the script. Just simply do that. Now, once you have the script, it's time to get the description and tags. So just simply go back and make sure to save the entire content that was generated for you. And now to get the description, tags and all of that, just simply choose this chatbot over here. And again, as you can see, the chatbot is selected. And now all I have to do is just simply paste the title, then hit enter. Now wait for a few seconds again. And just like that, it created your description with emojis, as you can see right over here. And for SEO, it created the hashtags, as you can see right over here. So that's how you use ChatGPT effectively for your SEO ready content creation. So if you would like to use ChatGPT, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.